It sure is.
How'd you sleep, alright?
Yeah, I slept fine.
Good.
Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, buddy. Maybe. I don't think I slept that good. Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh my gosh, she's purring. She's purring. Hey. Come here. Come here. My God. She's purring. Buddy. Hi. Come here. Hey. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Oh. She's purring. Hear her? Hear her purring? I think she's happy. She seems happy. She's a very old cat. She's old now. I think it was back 2015 I recorded her. She was young back then. Now she walks like an old cat. Her name's Molly, by the way. There's another one upstairs somewhere. I can't go right now because people are sleeping. Hey. Aww. She seems happy. Yeah, she's purring. So that might be a good sign. I didn't think this cat liked me. Oh man, look at her. Her eyes. Her eyes kind of remind me of the angry cat which passed away this year. But she's not angry at all. She's my cousin Maggie's cat. Even though I got up at 5:20 something a.m. Should you kiss her? Aww. She's trying. I don't know. I don't know if she's blind or see, she kind of walks funny, as you can see. Her legs are a little, yeah. Hey. Alright then. There's Snickers. Hey, buddy. Come here. Hey. He doesn't talk very much. See? Look at the difference between Molly and Snickers.
I'm getting it, Mosey.
Yeah. Buddy. He's purring. Guess he likes when I do that, huh? Hey. Well then.
kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr.
West Virginia.